All right, we're going to talk about mid-segments of triangles. All right, so the mid-segment of a triangle is a segment connecting the midpoints of two of the sides of a triangle. So here I have AO is a mid-segment because it is A is the midpoint of BU and O is the midpoint of BL. Okay, so AO would be a mid-segment. Triangle mid-segment theorem. If a segment joins the midpoints of two sides of a triangle, then the segment is parallel to the third side and is half as long. Okay, so D is the midpoint of AC, E is the midpoint of CB. So DE is parallel to AB and it's half the length of AB. Okay, so that's what that theorem is talking about. So here we have an item here. We want to kind of look at which ones are parallel, and we're going to say G is a midpoint, J is a midpoint, and H is a midpoint. Okay, so what is GJ parallel to? GJ parallel to? Well, here's GJ, right? So it's parallel to this whole side, FE. And now we're going to look here. We're going to look at JH. JH is parallel to which side? So it is DF. And my last one, 1, 2, 3, GH is parallel to DE. Okay? So we have all three of these are parallel. These three mid-segments are parallel to different parts of the triangle. What are the lengths of the mid-segment? Okay, so notice here that DG is 8, which forces this to be 8. JH is half, so it's actually equal to one of these. So JH is equal to 8. Here's the same kind of thing. EH is 10.6, so this has to be 10.6, which forces GJ to be 10.6. Well, how am I going to find GH? Well, this whole length is 24. Half of 24 is 12, so GH has to be 12. Okay. What did the frog say at the library? Read it, read it, read it. What did the pony say when he had a cold? I'm a little hoarse. Okay, so that's kind of going over mid-segment and the process of it being half the length of the third side and parallel.